Hello everyone, let's discuss a question from the chapter Electromagnetic Induction and Alternating Current, and this question is from the concept of transformer. The question says a power transmission line feeds input power at 2300 volt to a step down transformer. So secondary voltage will be less than primary voltage, and given that output is 230 volt, number of turns is 4000. If the current in primary of transformer is 5 ampere, so primary current is given as 5 ampere and its efficiency is 90%, efficiency is given as 90%, output current would be, now have the efficiency equal to output power by input power is equal to Vs into current in the secondary Is dash by Vp into current in primary. Now Vs by Vp would be 230 by 2300, which is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 into Is dash by Ip dash, Is dash by Ip dash is given as 5 ampere. From here Is dash equal to 50 into 0.9 equal to 45 ampere. So 45 ampere is our option B. So right answer is B. To know more about the concept of transformer and its efficiency, you can watch the video here, which is of small duration, and you can go through the book Concept of Physics Part 2, page number 321, line number 43 by H.C. Verma. Thank you.